Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to publish a landing page on system.io. First click the link in description for free system.io plan and then log into your account. And if you have ever wondered how to create a landing page using this platform, you are in the right place. It's a straightforward process and I am here to guide you step by step. So let's dive right in. First, what you want to do is to open your web browser and log into your system.io account using your credentials. Once you are successfully logged in, you will navigate to your dashboard. From there, you will notice a tab on the left hand side labeled Sites. Give that a click. Under the Sites section, you will find the option labeled Sales Funnels. Go ahead and click on that as well. Now comes the fun part, creating your landing page. You will see a button that says Create. Click on it and the system will prompt you to name your new landing page. Selecting a clear and descriptive name can be really helpful, especially as you manage and track multiple pages over time. Once you have settled on a name, you will need to choose from four different options available. These options generally correspond to different types of goal based funnels like collecting emails or selling products. Pick the one that aligns most closely with your intended use for this landing page. After making your selections, don't forget to hit save. This step will lock in your choices and direct you to your news funnel area. Now you will see your newly created funnel listed along with all of its details. Click on the funnel to proceed to the next step. In this phase, it's time to pick a template for your landing page. System.io offers a variety of pre-assigned templates to help you get started. These templates serve as a great foundation, especially if you are new to design or don't want to start from scratch. Browse through the options and choose the one that resonates with your brand and your goals. Once you have selected your template, it's on the creative part of the process. Click on Edit Page to enter the page editor. This is your canvas where you can add text, images, videos, buttons, and more to customize your landing page. This is where your vision comes to life. Take your time exploring the features and settings available to you. It's a user friendly interface, so don't be afraid to experiment. You can always tweak and adjust until it looks just right. And remember, simplicity and clarity often yield the best results as visitors should immediately understand your message and the action you want them to take. And that's it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to create and publish a landing page on system.io. So go ahead, try it out for yourself and unleash your creativity. Check the link in description for free plan of system.io. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment below with any questions and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you guys for watching.